We were like looking at some videos that looked just like Pede last night.
Well, he sings, but he's just too shy right now to sing. He's just staring at y'all.
He's like, what am I doing? But today, guys, we are going to Top Golf, so I will take the iPad and we will record each other, maybe. Yeah, I might read.
So, say bye, Petey. See, he's not very friendly at most in the mornings. In the afternoons, he's much more friendly than this.
And if we don't go to Top Golf today and it rains, then, well, we are going to say goodbye now. If you subscribe, please add a comment, subscribe our videos if you like. And, again, please subscribe, no negative comments, add a comment. And we won't publish the video until later because it's still kind of early. So, alright you guys, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Peace.